If you want to embed a YouTube video in Base44, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you're building a website, landing page, portfolio, or any project where you want to add video content without manually coding everything from scratch. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. First, open the YouTube video you want to embed. Under the video player, click the Share button. Once the Share menu opens, select Embed. You'll now see the full HTML iframe code for that video. Go ahead and copy the entire embed code exactly as it appears. Make sure you copy the whole iframe because this is what Base44 needs in order to place the video correctly on your page. Next, open your project in Base44. Inside the AI prompt or chat bar, type a clear instruction like this. Add an embed component to this page and insert my YouTube video. After that, paste the iframe code you copied directly into the chat. This tells Base44 exactly what video to use and where to place it in the layout. Once you submit it, Base44's AI will generate the embed component and insert the video into your page for you. In most cases, the video will appear right inside your design, ready to preview and publish. If you want, you can then adjust the size, spacing, or placement so it fits naturally with the rest of your layout. This method is especially useful because it saves time and removes the need to manually build an embed element yourself. It also helps keep your workflow simple if you're using Base44's AI tools to create pages quickly. So to recap, open the YouTube video, click Share, choose Embed, copy the iframe code, then paste it into Base44 with a request to add an embed component. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.